Hi, this video is for Lab 3 of Design of Digital Systems. This lab is supposed to implement a parameterized carry-safe multiplier, which we have already programmed onto the board, and we just have to go through the test values. So I put a paper here to show that these are our inputs B from 0 to 7, and then our inputs A are from 8 to 15. And then our output will show on the LEDs up here. So the first input is 6 times 27. So let's put 6 on side A, and then on side B we're going to do 27, which should be 1 1 0 1, and then another one. Okay, and now our output should be 162 in decimal, which in binary is 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. So that looks correct. Okay, our next value is going to be 251 times 0, which should just give us 0. So side B is already 0. And now let's do 251, which should be all ones. So let me just do all ones except for this one right here. And that's 251. But as we can see, none of the LEDs turn on because we're multiplying by 0. And anything multiplied by 0 is just 0. Our next test is going to be 224 times 24, which should give us a value of 5,376. So let's do that. So 224 in binary should be on side A, it'll be the first 3 bits, and then the rest should be 0. If I look at the PDF correctly, just to check. Yeah, the first 3 bits and then 0. And then for side B, it's going to be for side B, I said it would be 24, so it's going to be 0 0 0 0, or sorry, this one should be 1, and then this one should also be 1. And what we should get, is, like I said, is 5,376, which is 1 2 3 1, so 3 zeros, 1, and then 0 1 0 1, and then all zeros, which is the correct output for this case. Now for the final case, we need 255 times 255, which means we just turn all the LEDs on both sides. Okay, and that should give us 65,025, which is what we get here, which is just the first LED and then all of the LEDs after LED 9 on. So it's 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, and that's what we see here. So works